Hello, my name is Subomi Plumptre. Now, there are 3 reasons why I decided to start custom investment planning coaching. The first reason is the how of investment. Now, a lot of times people tell you there's money in agriculture or there's money in real estate, but very few times do they actually hold you by the hand and tell you the how of making that happen. So in my custom investment planning coaching session, I'm going to tell you how you can make money from agriculture, how you can make money from real estate, and any of the other different types of investment platforms. Now, I'm not talking about entrepreneurship in the sense that you want to start a farm or you want to start a real estate development company. I'm talking about those who have 1 million, 5 million, 10 million, and they're wondering, how do I practically invest in all these sectors? Now, the second reason is target investing. Some people have a target in mind for creating wealth. So you may say, right now I have a 9-to-5 job, but in the next 10 to 20 years, I want to build a nest egg of say 100 million naira that will take care of my child's education and not have to worry about a day-to-day income. So for those people, I'll hold your hand and together we'll develop an implementation plan on how you can hit your target over the time frame that you choose. The third reason is protecting and sustaining wealth. Some people have come into a large sum of money. You may be retired, you may have just gotten an inheritance, or you may have gotten a windfall from a business deal or opportunity. Now you're wondering, what can you do with this money so that you don't waste it? You want to be able to protect it and then grow it over time. So again, we'll develop a plan together on how you can sustain and protect your wealth. So these are 3 reasons for you to sign up for my custom investment planning coaching session. See you there.